How to fix Spotify app crashing on iPhone. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply force close your Spotify and then simply relaunch the application, right? So for that, what you can do is simply swipe up from your bottom of the screen, and then you can simply swipe up the Spotify window and close it just like this. So after doing that, you can simply tap on Spotify again and open it one more time and see if it helps. So if it's still not helping, then now what you can do is try to check for any sort of update, right? So for that, go back and open your Play Store, and then from here, now what we're going to do is tap on the search icon and then simply start searching for Spotify. So after searching for Spotify, what you're going to do is simply tap on that application, and if there are any sort of update available, you'll be able to see the update button. Tap on that one. Within a few seconds, your Spotify will be up to date. So in here, if it's still not working, then what you can try to do finally is try to offload the application in order to clear all of the cache, right? So for that, you can go back and open the settings of your phone. Then from here, scroll down a bit, then tap on general. From here, tap on iPhone storage, and then from there, what are we going to do is simply search for Spotify. So after searching for Spotify, simply tap on it, tap on offload app one more time. Within a few seconds, application will be offloaded. Then you'll be able to see reinstall app. Tap on reinstall app, and within a few minutes, your application will be reinstalled back on your phone. Then you can go back and open your Spotify, and after doing that, I'm pretty sure that it will now start working. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.